Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, there is a job opportunities from 5 companies, work from home jobs, come internship. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for a first time, viewers, our channel provides all latest job notification time to time. So please do subscribe channel. Viewers, first, Byju's is hiring, work from home job, internship. Immediate joiners are preferred. Work from home, start immediately. For selected candidates, salary is 15,000 per month. Work includes working in marketing department for India's largest school quiz program, working on contracting schools over a phone for delivering information about the quiz, working on target schools, collecting information from the internet and maintaining workbooks using MS Excel. Like who are ready for work from home, they can apply for this position. Duration is 1 month and need to have relevant skills and especially interest. Women wanting to restart their careers can also apply. Can start work from home from 11th Feb to 18th March. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. Viewers, next work from home job opportunity from Kotak Mahindra Bank, come internship. Even they are preferring immediate joiners. For selected candidates, salary is 10,000 per month. Work includes creating design for Kotak products on mobile and web, understanding requirements from the product team and converting them into user flows, designing wireframes, usual designs and prototypes, testing design accuracy of engineered output. Those who are interested can apply. Yes, internship program from 11th Feb to 18th March 21. Duration is 6 months. Have relevant skills and interest. So those who are interested can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. Yes, next company is Coding Ninjas is hiring, work from home and internship opportunity. They are preferring immediate joiners, and candidate need to have knowledge regarding content writing. In the sense, candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, especially written in English, and they are going to pay 1000-2000 words per article, like 1000 or 2000 rupees per article. Job responsibilities includes researching and writing tech articles for our blog, formulating content for on YouTube videos, webinars into article for our blog, social media pages, proofreading content written by others and correcting any grammatical errors in them. So mainly English is mandatory. Those who are willing to work from home and internship can apply. Duration is 3 months. Candidate need to have relevant skills and interest. Yes, next work from home job opportunity from NICA, Human Resources Department, HR position. For selected candidate, salary is 3,500 per month, 3 months duration, part-time job opportunity, immediate joiners are preferred. Work responsibilities includes source potential candidates from various online channels, example Naukri, LinkedIn, social media, screen incoming resumes from candidate, conduct initial screening of candidate via phone, video and in person, publish job openings internally and on company career page, social media and job boards, etc. Coordinate with candidates, hiring managers and consultant, provide regular updates of shortlisted candidates to hiring managers, maintain database and tracker wish list, facilitating offers to closure documents. So those who are interested can apply for this position. Duration is 3 months and candidate need to have relevant skills and interest. And here's last company, Urban Company, hiring development, business development, sales position, work from home and internship opportunity, preferred immediate joiners, 10,000 per month salary, 3 months duration. Work responsibilities includes work as a part of a home painting category team, manage sales operation for a city by assisting the sales associate working in the city, manage pool of professional working in the city and take ownership of their performance. So duration is 3 months. Can start work from home or internship between 9th Feb to 16th March. Only those candidates can apply who are interested to work from home and internship. So viewers, company providing certificate, letter of recommendation, flexible work hours, 5 working days in a week. So interested candidates can apply, and each and every company was providing one or other benefits to candidates. So interested candidates can apply. I am going to provide 5 important links in the description viewers. Even Nykaa is offering the certificates. So certificate come internship plus work from home jobs. Interested candidates can apply. All the best. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. And subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job notifications time to time.